Let's guide you through the installation process. Use the included template with a level and mark 2 small dots for the intended placement of the knife bar. Drill 2 holes on the marked dots, the same size as the included anchors. Start with only 1 hole first. Then, using the stencil, check that the second hole is where it should be. Install the screw anchors into the holes. Make sure they are completely flush with the wall. Install the screws into the anchors. Make sure you only leave the head of the screw exposed. That's it! Now you can simply place the bar over the screws. Once it's on, press the magnetic bar down to lock it. After you finish, the bar should not even have a hint of wobble. If you do feel the magnetic bar is loose, it simply means you need to make sure the screw anchors are all the way in and that the screw heads are the only parts visible. Easily grab the proper knife and start cooking. Check our entire magnetic knife bar collection at amazon.com/hmmagnets.